A teacher can score or grade the assessment in Altura. Based on their access rights, a teacher can be assigned to grade or score the completed assessment. This option is available from the assessment section. Navigate to assessment from the left menu and click on the grading button on the top right of the screen. So here you have the option to grade both the assessments, that is digital assessment as well as the paper assessment. The scores for the digital assessment once entered will create the report for the students to view immediately. Now click on Start Grading. So this will bring up the questions that are available for the grading. Enter the score and the remark or the feedback if any on the questions and click on Submit if it is only one question, else save and continue in case of more than one question. So click on Submit. Now the grading for the digital assessment will be completed. Let's see the process for the paper assessment. Go back and click on the paper assessment. Now select the assessment which needs to be graded and click on Start Grading. For paper assessment, when you start grading, you have the choice to grade each student randomly, but it is required to add all these scores for the particular students that you are grading. If the students has not attempted the paper assessment at all, they can be marked as not completed and the scores cannot be added in such cases. Click on Start Grading here. Now to score the student, please enter the score within the available score mentioned for each question. You can also preview each question and add the feedback to each question or to the entire assessment as per your choice. So mention the scores here. Once all the scores have been added, the total scores will automatically be displayed and the teacher can check the same to ensure correct scores are being submitted. After adding all the scores, click Mark as graded for the particular student. At this point, students' attempt of paper assessment will be graded, but they cannot see the scores until the teacher submits the grade by clicking on Submit Grade. When you are submitting the grade for the paper assessment, please be ensured that you have to do it, as the submission cannot be edited and the system will also alert you about the same. So click on Yes to submit the grade. You can now view the grade and the student can also see their scores for the assessment. Thank you.